camera.
Shit. Pardon my language. You guys are filming too.
No, I'm not filming.
I am.
Edit sound.
I don't know whether anybody wants to see this. It's pathetic.
Oh gosh.
I don't think a boat would work better.
I don't think he'll go because I think he would have gone already.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Well, you know, there's a ledge all along there, but the water's so high that it's
That's it.
under.
Yeah. But that's good because he wants to get
Oh,
to the guy.
good.
Yeah, he's even better.
You know someone's coming.
And all those trees are just garbage trees there too, you know, stuff crap. Fall off.
Okay, stay out of the way. That's okay.
Oh. He's coming forward, run. Shit.
Call him back! Call him back!
Ron, tell him to call the dog. Tell the guy on the rope.
Oh my God, he's gonna get around to the men. He's gonna get around to the guys.
Is he right there?
Oh no, he's
It's kind of deep there. It's like
He's walking the ledge. He's walking the ledge. He's almost all the way around.
Shit. He's swimming.
Oh, he can make it back.
Yeah, but he's swimming right along shore.
Oh, go on. Go on. Oh, good boy. Good boy.
nice and cold.
Is that water receding?
He's right there, he's gonna get hit by a rock. Just do his
Pretty
lap.
well straight underneath.
Just don't drop another rock.
He's right overneath, Ron. Can you tell him that?
I think there's a dip there.
Well, he's right on the feed.
Oh, yeah.
Above him. At least
Get him.
looking right at him.
Yeah.
Yeah. Dry suit, life jacket, all 9 yards. The dog's moving over a bit.
Oh, don't go away.
Surprised he's not running right over there. There we go.
Nice.
Not Eric in the suit, is it, Ron?
That's not really meant to be attached to anything. It's sort of a visual. The gate's in repair.
I can see their heads. Like just the red through the trees. Yeah. Yeah.
Well, now that the dogs.
Well, no, they've got nowhere to come out for a while, do they?
I feel kind of ill
Yeah,
after all this.
I do.
No,
Yeah,
I
it's,
think
it's
that's
awful, isn't it?
Before I even had a coffee.
Poor guy.
Yeah.
Oh no, just coveralls.
Yeah. But originally,
They
yeah.
couldn't see him and they were screaming.
Aw, the owner.
Using the water.
Must have been there for, well, I mean, for a while before somebody called it in.
I don't know.
Yeah.
I got up at 7 because the bear guys get here at 7. You can hear you. Work till 11, we get up at 7.
For a guy that's supposed to arrive between, what, 7
7
and
and
12?
Yeah.
Oh, gosh.
Warming up.
He's got a nice
Not
harness
that
on.
cold.
Looks cute. His nice little harness on.
He's doing a good job. Yeah,
Looks
nice.
cute in the harness.
I just want a picture of you.
Talking about Eric, or you talking about the dog?
No comment.
I've got that on film.
Yeah.
That was Chris Pollock.
Yeah.
He was talking about the dog.
London offering insurance.
Yeah.
Perverted comments. It's,
I'm gonna
1997.
I'm gonna put this on my YouTube. I'm gonna put this on my Facebook page. Actually, I'm gonna give it to Tom, I guess, too. Oh, so lucky there's that one little piece of exposed rock there.
Well, I probably found that too, eh? After
Yeah.
Floating and swimming.
There's actually an island right in the middle now. The water, rocks have piled up so much
Oh, yeah?
that when the water's down, you see the ducks sitting there. Right?
Yeah.
It's funny. So,
Yeah, I've seen that sometimes walking to work. I've seen,
yeah, it's
and I
right
wonder.
there. Like, oh, it didn't used to be there. I think we've been here 12 years.
Fuck, since they pulled the
Well,
dam
Yeah,
out.
it's all.
late in the
There's
summer, I
probably
saw a couple
bicycles.
kids standing on it,
Yeah,
fishing.
Yeah, well, they walk along there, and it's actually not that bad in the summer. This time of year, not too bad.